How to create a Venmo account. Want to start using Venmo to send and receive money? In this guide, I'll show you how to create a new Venmo account step by step so you can start transferring money easily. Let's get started. Go to the App Store or Google Play Store and search for Venmo. Download and install the app on your device. Launch the Venmo app and tap Sign Up. Choose whether to sign up with your email address or your Facebook account. Fill out the required fields including your name, email address, phone number and a secure password. Then tap Next to continue. Venmo will send you a verification code via SMS, so enter the code in the app to confirm your phone number. To start sending and receiving money, link a payment method. You can add a bank account, debit card or credit card by following the prompts in the app. Personalize your Venmo profile by adding a profile picture and username. This makes it easy for friends to find you. Double check your information, agree to the terms of service, and tap Finish to complete the setup. Your account is now ready to use, and that's how you create a Venmo account. Start sending and receiving money in just minutes. Check the description for links to download the app. Thanks for watching.